Stable and efficient / reliable and durable / flexible environment adaptability. Fooen rental oil-free compressor diesel driven with precise and powerful gas supply capabilities. It can be regarded as an excellent assistant for safety shell testing, accurately identifying leakage hazards. Compact body, small footprint, suitable for compact nuclear power plant sites, flexible and convenient installation. The advanced engine and the airflow of the nosepiece are ample, paired with intelligent regulation, catering to the high-intensity gas consumption of nuclear power, ensuring a stable operation. Air cooling eliminates water concerns. 3 protections combined with corrosion-resistant pipes and unique container design, providing hardcore protection. Intelligent start-stop, gas volume regulation dual guarantee, constant air pressure. The dual warning is extremely sensitive, and hidden dangers have nowhere to hide. Worry-free after-sales service throughout the entire process. Accurate logistics, meticulous installation and debugging, comprehensive maintenance, training, and emergency response, accompanying throughout the entire process. Fooen Rental Integrated Solution, reliable partner for nuclear power engineering, fully escorting the nuclear power industry.